Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use broadcast message in Scratch. So let's go ahead and get started. First, let's pick a sprite. Maybe I can pick the cat. If you want, you can pick the cat. And we can pick any sprite we want. So I've usually picked the cat. So now, next up, what we're going to use is we are going to pick a button. So whenever you press the button, the cat's supposed to do something. So now, how to use this broadcast message is when you go to the events. How to find the broadcast message is when you go to the events category, you'll see all these different kind of things that you can use in the middle. For example, in the start. So when you have to start the code, for example, when green flag clicked, like when this flag is clicked, then something might happen. So now let's get to the tutorial now. So now how to do this is we're going to say when green flag clicked or when this sprite clicked. You can say when this sprite clicked. And then we're going to say broadcast message 1 and then hide, because we want the sprite to hide after we click the button. So actually now when you do one green flag clicked, it's supposed to show up so that you can click the button and it'll hide. So now it's done. It has done the broadcast message. But what happens when we do the broadcast message? Well, when you go to the cat sprite, you'll see this empty block of code. So you can add any code here in this blank space. So when you go to the events, there will be this kind of block. When I receive message 1. So drag that out, and then we can maybe talk, maybe say something, or maybe switch costume. I might do next costume forever loop. So put a latch. Okay, so now we're going to say 0.2 seconds. Wait, it's going to do that, and then it's going to move the costume. So let's go ahead and show you. So when you click on the button, the cat is moving. So that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial, and I'll see you next time for more Learn Scratch videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my Learn Scratch channel, and also don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my awesome Learn Scratch videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye.